Hope all is well with everyone today. So today I just received my Impression Vanity Chair. So I'm not gonna make this a long intro. I will say I opened the box and I will show a picture here of the box and all that stuff that I received. I love it so far. I will say first I opened the box. I didn't video that. I will put a clip of when I opened the box, how it looked. Came on plastic. It's right behind me, still in plastic. I'm just gonna hurry and take off the plastic right now. Then we're gonna jump into this video. I will say first and foremost, I looked through the box. I see no instructions. I emailed Impression Vanity earlier, and I know I'm not gonna get no answer right away. So I'm gonna try my best and put this together by myself. If I'm unable to do that, it will sit here and wait until Ray gets here and he'll do it, because that's how it's gonna go today. No fuss, no rush. All right, so let me jump right in. This is my first time doing this. So I did put an IKEA chair together. So I think I might be able to do this. So I don't know. I don't even know what you need. I think you probably need a screwdriver because it has screws. So I should get a screwdriver close by, right? Yeah, screwdriver in the closet. So anyway, stay tuned. We're gonna jump into this putting together, installation, whatever you would call it. All right, guys, I just want to bring this closer. So it comes like this. This is separate. This was in another box. So it comes like that. So I guess you put that on top and then put the chair on top of this. I'm not sure, but I think you're supposed to screw some of the screws in here into here so it looks like that, if that makes sense. I'm going to take these off and see. Maybe actually I'm going to put it together, then I'm going to take these off. Oh no. Maybe I should take these off first. I'm going to take the plastic off, this foam part off now, and then get the chair. The chair is so nice. I want to come close, get a close view of it. Let me grab the chair. All right, guys, so this is a close of the chair. Top of it is so pretty. So it has that leather and this beige, and this is velvet. I'm definitely going to scotch guard this because I do not want this to get dirty. I didn't realize here it's going to be actually velvet, so definitely I'm going to scotch guard this. I'm probably going to head to Walmart tomorrow and try to get a scotch guard because I want nothing to dirty. So this is a pretty luxury chair, and then I must say I waited almost 2 weeks and change for this chair, because I know with everything that's going on it took a while, but I love this bucket look, so I cannot wait to see how it comes out. Pray for me, because I don't know how this is gonna be. All right, guys, I hope that's better, that you guys can see. So there's a hole in here, so you line up with the hole that's right here, then you slide it into the bottom half that goes into the chair. And maybe you could probably put the chair upside down. That probably would work, but it's okay. Get your little key thing, put it there, and just really screw it in. Really easy. I'm kind of shocked. I thought it would be harder than this. I don't know, I'm kind of shocked. And do as tight as you can. Okay. I'm gonna do this one as well. Just tight it, just tight it, tight, ugh. Just tight a little bit. Okay, and that's not moving. I'm gonna do the two bottom ones. And then I think there's holes here, so I think there's supposed to be some screw here, but there's only 4 screws they sent me, so I don't know how that's gonna work. Okay, I'm gonna put this on the bottom. It makes it easier that way. Do it like this. No. Like this. Let me show you this. I'm gonna fire fasten this up, but just kind of slide it in that way. Can you get it in this way? I don't see any holes. Am I right? Just kind of line. You gotta make sure you line up with the holes there. Can't be there. All right, I'm just gonna do the bottom part. I'm not sure. I don't see the. All right, guys, so I have this upside down and I don't think this is right because I don't have 4 screws. Like, I think I'm supposed to have 4 screws and I'm supposed to have 8 screws. I only have 4. And I honestly don't know which. I just tried to see if this is what you do and it's not. I don't know how you're supposed to get the base down with just 2 screws because there's 4 holes. So I don't even know how that works. Like, I definitely think this is missing something. So it's a fail. I'm not even impressed with this company right now. I mean, I like it, but like, no instructions. Took forever in shipping. Like, it's ridiculous. And I'm not sure if I'm gonna have to take this off because I'm not even sure if this is how you do it. And I would think, I'm gonna look in the box again, but I looked up and down and everywhere and there was no other screws. So I think this is a fail, but I will show you how they claim it's supposed to look. Let's just get you up like that. And it's supposed to look something like this, but it's not sturdy yet. But when it's finished, it's supposed to look like that and it's supposed to swerve. So yeah, right now it's like hopping off. It looks a little soiled here, but I don't know if it's just, I don't know. I'm just not impressed. That's how it looks. It was so cute. I don't know. I want to love this chair, but I just don't like all that's going on. It's crazy. So anyway, I do like it, like the setup. I just don't know how to set it up because it didn't have instruction. It doesn't have enough screws. So I don't know how this is supposed to work then without the instructions and no screws. I'm supposed to improvise, and you know, their phone number is not working right now because of this craziness. And when you email, it takes like sometimes 48 hours because I was wondering where they didn't send me a shipping, a tracking number, and it didn't ship out for another week, and it took another week and some change to get here. So, and I'm in the New York area, coming from California. So, yep, and it's gonna fall off. All right, guys, I'm not gonna babble. I don't know yet. I have to probably just wait and try to hear back from them or see if I can find something to work, because I believe this has to be down and this has to be secured down with a different screw. So please like and subscribe. I'm sorry this is a fail, but please like and subscribe, and I'll see you soon. Bye, guys.